Humanium is a new metal made from destructed illegal firearms. Armed violence is a global epidemic with over 500 million illegal firearms across the world. One person is shot and killed every minute, and developing countries suffer the most. But time can change that. The TRIWA Humanium watch is made from destructed illegal firearms, crafted out of something that used to be a destructive force, now turned into something useful.
The general idea of the Humanium Metal initiative is perfect. Just the knowledge of this coming from a deadly weapon is extremely powerful. To use the symbolic value of a watch to raise awareness of this critical ethical message is super important for us. The watch industry is too focused on status and precious metals. If we can take away the precious metals and bring something like this into the watches that has a much stronger symbolic value, then we've done our job.
The sales from the watches generate financial resources used to rebuild conflict-torn societies and support victims of armed violence. The Humanium Metal initiative by IM Swedish Development Partner is supported by local governments and authorities, and some of the most renowned international experts and peace advocates. There's no gimmick here, just a new watch, made from destructed firearms to fight violence and poverty. It's time for peace.